What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler and this is Earth's Cuisine. So Daiya has this line of plant-based dressings, and I was at my local Ingles the other day and I saw that they were selling all 5, and so I thought I'd get all 5 and try them out and tell you what I think. Before I get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes, I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more sustainably and healthy. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So these are the 5 I have here. I have the creamy Italian, the creamy Caesar, the homestyle ranch, the honey mustard, and the blue cheese. And you might recognize this one from when I reviewed Great Value Brand's plant-based meats. For full transparency, I have tried this one before, as well as the homestyle ranch, but the other 3 I have not tried before. So as a first reaction to these are in a glass bottle, whereas most dressings you find at the store will be in a plastic bottle. So the fact that these are in a glass bottle instead of plastic and they are plant-based, I can already tell these are going to be a lot more sustainable than most dressings you find at the store. So to try each of these out, I'm going to put each on a salad, as well as I'm going to cook up this big bag of vegan chicken nuggets and try each of them on those. All right, let's make it happen. So I've tried each of them now, and to give my thoughts, I thought they were all really good. The one that was definitely the creamiest was the creamy Italian. You might have noticed that one came out of the bottle a lot easier than the other ones. So if you're looking for a creamy dressing, creamy Italian would definitely be the way to go. The one that I ended up liking the most was the honey mustard. I don't really think to put honey mustard on salads, but it was good on both the salad and the chicken nuggets. So if you were going to pick one of these, I would definitely recommend the honey mustard. But hey, that's just my thoughts. Why don't you let me know down in the comments which one you think would be best? Also, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.